Miyano fixed head lathes, really well known in the industry. Now, this is a B&J 42. They also do it in a 51 variety, so 42 mil bar or 51 mil bar. But what are we talking about now? Well, it used to be, or it was, a fast, accurate, rigid machine. But what they've done, they've upgraded it. How have they upgraded it? Well, there's a number of different features. First of all, we'll start with the control panel here. It used to sit up here. Now it's a lot more easy to access. This one you see here has got the fan control. You can have the Mitsubishi option as well if you want to. Then let's go into the machine envelope. So first of all, spindle one, upgraded bearing, so it's more rigid, so you can take that bigger, deeper cuts. You've then got turret one. Now that has got a Y-axis, so essentially you could do a more complex part with your driven tooling, so you could do your milling and your turning. Then moving over to turret 2, that's been upgraded from 6 stations to 8 stations, and that's got your driven tooling on there as well, and you can double up, so you can get a load more tools on there. Then you've got a spindle 2, so what you can actually do there is your simultaneous machining, essentially getting your second op for free, but you can also do your superimposed machining, so again, getting your more complex parts and quicker. Also, they've got thermal revision, so that keeps your thermal growth controlled by monitoring the components, and then you're putting in the coefficients of your coolants, whether it's oil-based or water-based. And you've also got collision control in there, so essentially limiting, should things go wrong, it's limiting the damage. So a great upgrade to what was already a great machine. Solid, fast, flexible, small footprint, accurate, fast, complex components, all made on the B&J 42 and B&J 51.